Here are some quick and easy hairstyles suitable for school or work. Half up, half down. Take a section of hair from the crown of your head and secure it with a hair tie or clip. Leave the remaining hair down for a simple and stylish look. Classic ponytail. Gather your hair at the back of your head and secure it with a hair tie. For a polished look, wrap a small section of hair around the hair tie to conceal it. Messy bun. Gather your hair into a high or low ponytail, twist it around the hair tie, and secure it with bobby pins. Pull out a few strands to create a messy, effortless look. French braid. Start with a small section of hair at the top of your head and divide it into 3 strands. Begin braiding by crossing the outer strands over the middle one, gradually adding more hair from the sides as you go. Secure the braid with an elastic band. Adding more hair from the sides as you go. Secure the braid with an elastic band. Side braid. Sweep all your hair to one side and create a traditional 3-strand braid or a fishtail braid. Secure the end with a small elastic or a clear hair tie. Low bun. Gather your hair at the nape of your neck and twist it into a bun. Secure it with bobby pins and loosen a few strands for a softer look. Sleek high ponytail. Brush your hair back and secure it into a high ponytail using a hair tie. Smooth out any flyaways with a bit of hairspray or gel for a sleek finish. Top knot. Gather your hair into a high ponytail and twist it around the base. Secure it with bobby pins and pull out a few face framing strands for a chic look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.